Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to host a webinar in Zoom. So first you will need to open your Zoom web portal and sign in with your account, and if you don't have already an account, just sign in with Google account or Apple account or Facebook. So after you sign in, you will find yourself in this home page. So you will go to the My Account button here and click on it. So here we will see all this navigation tab here where all the settings are located. So now we need to go to settings. I mean to go to webinars here, and as you can see here we where we can host our webinars. But you should uh, know that the webinars are made for premium version accounts. So if you don't have already a premium Zoom account, all you can do is click either to click upgrade now and it will take you to the payment process, or you can just go to the plan and pricing and click on it, and it will take you to the plans and buying information, I mean the plan informations. So after that you can choose either a business or an enterprise uh, plan and just click on upgrade, and it will take you to the purchase process. So after that you will find something like for the meetings, so you can schedule like a webinar, or you can see your previous webinars, etc, etc. So as you can see, for the meetings are similar to webinars. So you are just going to schedule a webinar, and then you will fill out the informations, etc. So basically this is how you can host a webinar on Zoom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.